And our guest actually has been a guest of ours in our Needham studios, the Money Matters Radio Network studios, because he's a Family Business of the Year Award winner, not just finalist.
Mm-hmm.
And that is John Baker of Falmouth, that is Gary Sheehan of Cape Cod Medical Supply. Boy, I'm just getting
Cape
punched.
Medical Supply,
Cape
yes.
Medical
Thanks
Supply.
for having me, Jeff.
Wow, I apologize.
Give you a pass
and
on
then
that.
you said I was a professional.
Yeah, well,
Professional.
I have to take it back, I guess.
You can take it back. But even the best, make
Yeah,
mistakes.
sure.
Gary, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Jeff.
You want to
Good
tell
be here.
Peter and our guests what Cape Medical does?
Sure. So Cape Medical Supply is an integrated home medical equipment company. So we consider ourselves a post-acute care provider. So after an acute care episode, perhaps hospitalization or perhaps diagnosis of a condition like sleep apnea, our company gets involved and sends clinical professionals or technicians, usually to a patient's home, and set them up using home oxygen or a sleep therapy device or
A catheter.
we don't. No,
No
that's not
catheters?
the business. Yeah, we don't do that.
Okay.
That's not the business we're in. But we're
Beds?
familiar with hospital beds, wheelchairs,
So things that make patients more comfortable.
things that allow patients
Right.
to live safely and
You're right.
independently. at
Catheters
home.
don't make you more comfortable. They do make things more convenient, though.
They are a little invasive, I suspect that's the issue.
Invasive is the word,
Yeah.
yes.
So companies like ours, generally speaking, allow save the healthcare system a tremendous amount of cost because we allow people to live safely in non-institutional settings. So we're based here on the Cape. We have a branch in Canton, Massachusetts, as well as Kittery, Maine. So we service
And you're a
Massachusetts.
family business,
We
right?
are a family business, second generation family business. We were founded by my parents, Mark and Nancy Sheehan, in 1977. The year before I was born. We're still kicking strong. I have two brothers involved in the business as well. You met them at the
Yeah.
award ceremony. So we're having as good a time as you possibly could, given the overall economic conditions. these
Are your
days.
folks still involved?
They're not. No, they retired in 2006.
So did the boys throw them out?
Yeah, something like that. No, they worked hard.
You've already forgotten my inappropriate comment.
A lot,
Okay, that's good.
yeah, a lot of years.
Trying to
they
cover
put in. They put in, but yeah.
Well, you're kind of modest. I mean, you were a winner of the Family Business of the Year Award in the large category, in the medium category for a large organization. The FBA is the largest family supportive network in New England, and what is it about your company that you think gives it that kind of competitive advantage that you'd have these independent academics award you with the prize?
Yeah, that's a good question, actually. We were certainly humbled, and especially given the strength of the competition in that category that year.
There was a lot of competition that year.
So the finalists were very strong, and it really was, in the way you guys do the award ceremony, of course, you don't know before that night that you won, so it sort of is.
I bring the plaque up to David Wade of WBZ,
Yeah.
and I don't look at the plaque, and I don't know when I'm bringing it up.
It was
to
a
him.
neat, because a lot of, we've won a number of other awards and honors and things like that, but it's usually you get a phone call or an email. It's not like
Right.
a ceremony where you're literally revealing it. So I think one of the things is, so the company was founded by my mom and dad in their house. It was the two of them alone, 24/7 for 7 years. So they knew.
And they didn't kill each other.
No, they didn't. Close, but no. Never succeed.